Okay, I got like I got 8.5 minutes remaining. This will be the last part. Or we just got this, and that's it. This is all the way stuff, and that might be the last, because the last storm, this one might hit to the south. And I probably won't be caught because my camera is full. I do not have a different memory card. But I just got this camera like a couple months ago. Okay, the batteries are low right now, but it said every time the batteries is low, you got 10 minutes before it goes dead. So, guys, we got storms on Friday. So, we got more storms on the way on Friday, so I'm probably gonna upload videos. There are about 10 videos, I think. It's gonna take me like, now I'm just gonna post like 3 videos, maybe 4 or 6. I'm gonna post like 4 or 5 videos a day. So I'm gonna post 4 on Thursday. Friday will be 3 or 4 on Thursday, which is another chance of thunderstorms. I do not think it's probably one, so it takes me like an hour to finish the video uploading. So after school, I'm gonna be on the computer. Give me a break. I'm summer vacation. Keep saying that word. So tomorrow I'm gonna be up like 1 o'clock. Tomorrow, and I'm gonna start uploading videos about 4 o'clock until like I get like 4 videos posted. Maybe 4 to 6 videos a day. So I'm gonna post like 4 to 6 videos a day. So it's gonna take me like tomorrow and Friday. Then after that, I'm gonna record again because we got another severe weather on the way on Friday. Or not, it might change all that crap and hell of it and miss us. Soccer dude, how you get like more than 10 minutes of video if you're watching this video? About answering this question, guys, just saying his name is Soccer Dude. I don't remember his number, but I just got my way away. Yo, it's gonna be one of the severe thunderstorms to 4. I'm going to sleep. Told you around 12:30, 1 o'clock, it's gonna happen. Oh, okay. Another one. That's thunder, man. Coming from the sky, touching the ground. Like this, and boom, like that. Just touch it. Okay. Okay. Easy. Okay, Storms, easy. Easy now. Don't understand. The I don't even know, cause I cannot. I'm trying to get like a national weather slogan is ESS Comcast. I cannot get those, and the flags are still whipping, man. On the heavy rain, the flag still works. Got couple minutes left before it stop. So, okay. I did not catch that one, but okay. So that would be the end of the video. Video by David Week 110. Comment and rate. It's a very good storm video. It's gotta be like the best storm video in my life. This looks like better than August. August the 4th looks kind of freaky. It's just white. It's just white and no thunder with it. So this one's gotta be better than that. But good news, there's no tornado threat on there. But there's 2 counts away from here, and the storm behind us is gonna be like south of here. You look at its forecast. I don't know. This one's gonna go like right south of here. I won't record it because I have 4 videos and I want to get it posted before Friday afternoon because we got another severe weather threat. So Friday afternoon I gotta get all these videos in. So I got Thursday afternoon to Friday, so I gotta get like 6 videos, which I'm probably not gonna do nothing editing. So I probably won't be YouTube for like a while because of the videos I have. And it take like 200 some megabytes. It take like it take 100 some megabytes, so this is gonna be like, how many megabytes is 1 gigabyte? Oh no! You see that? Hold on. Power flash. Oh no. Oh no, the power went off. The power's not going back. Okay. This is bad. Okay. I'm facing the front room. All the street lights just went off. Okay. The power just went off. It just did. Unbelievable. Now it's pitch black. That humming sound, like I told you last time, that is the rain. Okay guys, so I get more lightning strikes, but it looks like it's getting lighter. Pause off. And I'm facing that way, towards the house across the street. Probably gonna be off for a while, so I'll woke up tomorrow, but it probably will come back on. Alright, 15 seconds. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And have a good video. It's all 8 parts. It might cost me like